Okay, this is your assignment number 2 for social studies. It says using a compass rose. Using your map that you did on the assignment 1 and cardinal directions from the compass rose, which is north, south, east, and west, write directions on how to get to the grocery store, doctor, or other location in your neighborhood. Then share your directions with a family member. So maybe on the back of the map that you drew from assignment 1, write down what the directions would be. And they're saying that you just need to use the cardinal directions, which are just your north, south, east, and west. See if you can guide your parents to the grocery store, telling them to turn south or telling them to turn east. See if you can make some directions. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.